Ever wondered why even the most sophisticated software needs rigorous testing? The answer lies in the pivotal role of software testing in ensuring the quality, reliability, and performance of any software. Today's conversation revolves around this important aspect of software development. Begin by visualizing software testing as an enormous puzzle with multiple pieces. Each piece represents a different aspect of the software, and the objective is to ensure that all these pieces fit together seamlessly. The first piece of the puzzle is planning. A well-organized plan forms the foundation of effective software testing. This involves understanding the software's requirements, setting clear objectives, and outlining a detailed strategy. A meticulous plan helps to navigate the complex testing process, ensuring no crucial element is overlooked. The second piece is test case development. This involves designing specific scenarios to check the software's functionality. Each test case focuses on a particular function or feature, testing it under various conditions and inputs. This step is crucial for identifying any potential flaws or weaknesses in the software. Next, we move on to the actual execution of these test cases. This is where the rubber meets the road. The software undergoes rigorous testing based on the cases developed, and any deviations from the expected results are noted. These deviations, or bugs, are then addressed in the subsequent steps. Following the execution comes the debugging phase. This is where the identified issues are rectified. Debugging requires a high level of expertise, as it involves delving into the software's code to find the root cause of the bugs and fixing them. Once the bugs are fixed, the software undergoes retesting to ensure that the fixes are successful and haven't caused any new issues. This phase, known as regression testing, is crucial for maintaining the software's stability and functionality. The final piece of the puzzle is review and reporting. This involves analyzing the results, documenting the findings, and making necessary recommendations. A comprehensive report provides valuable insights into the software's quality and reliability, guiding future improvements. To capsulize, software testing is a vital process that ensures the quality, reliability, and performance of any software. It starts with a well-structured plan, followed by test case development and execution. Debugging rectifies any identified issues, and regression testing ensures the fixes haven't created new problems. The process concludes with a detailed review and report, providing valuable insights for future improvements. Remember, software testing isn't just about finding bugs, it's about ensuring a seamless user experience. It's a testament to the adage, prevention is better than cure. By identifying and fixing issues before the software reaches its users, it saves time, resources, and reputation. So never underestimate the power of a well-executed software testing process. It's the invisible force that drives software reliability and quality.